Welcome to this module on the kingdom of Mari. As we learned in the previous section, a shepherd may take his flock to water cross a sown field to ruin the crop. Why the shepherds, pastoralists had issues with the farmers, or what activities of the pastoralists or the shepherds would instigate the farmers to get them into conflict with the pastoralists. This is one such act. The shepherd may take his flock to water across a sown field so that would ruin the crop. Herdsmen, as they are being mobile, they can raid the agricultural villages, seize their stored goods. This is another act. One, they make the flock to go across the sown field. Two, they raid the agricultural villages, they seize their stored goods. For their part, the settled groups may deny pastoralists the access to river and canal water along a certain set of paths. In order to avoid this, the settled farmers, the settled groups, we can say them as farmers or the farming community, would deny them the entry for the pastoralists to river or canal water along the certain sets of paths. They are not denying completely the access to the river water or the canal water, but they deny them to go in certain paths where the agricultural villages are there, where they have stored their grains, because that would result in ruining of the crops. Though Mesopotamian history, nomadic communities of the western desert filtered into a prosperous agricultural heartland, the shepherds would bring their flock into the sown area in summer. Now, they are nomadic in nature. Many of the communities in the Mesopotamian history are having nomadic communities, and these communities have moved across the western desert and entered into the prosperous agricultural heartland. Mostly they do it in the month of summer months into the lands. Such groups would come in as herders, harvest laborers, or hired as soldiers. Occasionally, those who are hired as soldiers became prosperous and started to settle down in those places. So, they were not having a very good relationship between the farmers and the pastoralists. But gradually, the pastoralists started to settle down as herders, harvest laborers, or hired soldiers, and they became prosperous over a period of time and settled down in the pastoral zones. Stay tuned, we'll catch you in the next section.